Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. And basically we have two options how to do this. The first one is to use an application and the second one is to use gesture. Let's get started by use the app. So you need to open EARFUN audio application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and right here we have ambient sound control. So to enable ANC you need to click at noise cancelling, and to disable it you need to select transparency mode or normal mode. Now to use it by gesture, first I will show you by default and then how to customize it. And you need to use by default your left earbud. At the back side you have touch area, you need to press and hold on it. And now we should firstly enable transparency mode, then press and hold again, and you will enable ANC. And from ANC, if you want to disable it, you will swap to the normal mode. So press and hold third time, and that's it. Now, how to customize it? In the main menu, you need to scroll down and go to customize controls. Also, make sure that you not disable all controls. And right here, as you can see, we have it for the press and hold, but we can add it for the single press, double press, triple press, for the left, right earbud, also for the press and hold, for the right. And let's say I want to add it for the double press on my right earbud. I click at this line and then you need to scroll down and select noise cancelling. Now let's check it. So 1, 2. 1, 2. And we also have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!